Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use NordVPN Premium for free on a PC. Let's get started. There is no permanent free version of NordVPN, but there are legal ways to use the full premium service without paying long term. NordVPN offers a 30-day money back guarantee. This means you can use all premium features for free. Here is how to do it. Open any browser on your PC and go to the NordVPN website. Choose a plan and sign up normally and complete the payment. Now download and install the NordVPN app on your PC. Log in and use all premium features like fast servers, security and location change. If you decide you want a refund, just request a refund within 30 days. To get your money back, log in to your NordVPN account. Open support and start a live chat. Tell them you want a refund under the 30-day guarantee. Your money will be returned and you have used NordVPN for free legally. And that's it. That's how you can use NordVPN Premium for free on PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.